Let's see how to simplify this without calculator. 105 to the power of 4 can be simplified as 105 to the power of 2, in parentheses to the power of 2. 2 times 2 will give us 4. 95 to the power of 2, in parentheses to the power of 2. These 2 times 2 will also give us 4. Now, recall that when we have a squared minus b squared equals as a plus b times a minus b. So from here we have here to be as 105 to the power of 2, then minus 95 to the power of 2 times 105 to the power of 2 plus 95 to the power of 2. Now from here, this is also under difference of 2 square. When we simplify, this will be 105 plus 95 times 105 minus 95 times this 105 squared plus 95 squared. Now we have 105 minus 95. This will give us 10. 105 plus 95. This will give us 200 times 105 squared plus 95 squared. Now 10 times 200. This will give us 2000. Then we have 105 squared plus 95 squared. Now we have 2000. So from here we can have this 105 as 100 plus 5 all in parentheses squared. Then this will be 100 minus 5 squared will give us 95. Now let us now recall that anytime when you have a plus b in parentheses squared, then plus a minus b in parentheses squared, this always equals as 2 multiplied by a squared plus b squared. Now from here we have 2000. Look at this expression equivalent to this, so we're going to have 2 multiplied by 100 squared plus 5 squared. Now this will be 4000 multiplied by 100 squared plus 25. Now we have 4000. This will be 10,000 plus 25. So from here we have 4000 multiplied by 10,000 25. Now let us now multiply this. You know we are given this 10025 multiplied by 4000 000 is 0 times the whole of this. We're going to have 0 till reach 5. Now is 0 times this. You start from here. Now is 0 times the whole of this. You start from here. Now 4 times this. 4 times this one. So we have here to be 4 times 5. That's 20. We have here to be 20. We take from here, we take 0. So definitely we take 0 from here. Then we carry 2. 4 times this 8 plus this is 10. We also take 0, we carry 1. 4 times this 0 plus 1, here will be 1. 4 times 0, 0. 4 times 1, 4. So when you balance it, here will be 4, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So this is our answer, and so therefore we have 105 to the power of 4 minus 95 to the power of 4 to be equals 401 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Without using calculator, this is our answer. If you are new here and you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, and comment.